What's up, everybody? Rob here. You're watching me go absolutely insane. What's up, everybody? Rob here. You are watching yourself another episode of Man vs. Din, a very, very special Easter quarantine episode of Man vs. Din. I have been locked and cooped up in my house, quarantined in my house for 28 days now. By the time this episode reaches your eyeballs, it will have been day 30-something. That's months. We're moving into months now. I don't know how many more months this will go on. Who knows? But a happy Easter to you. That is what today is all about. Whatever Easter is about. Jesus, Easter eggs, and that's it. That's all I can remember. I don't know what else it's about at this point in time. But if you don't know what this is about, Man vs. Din, I'll tell you. It's about three things, three courses. The first course is the alcoholic appetizer. The second course is the trending entree. And the third is the demonetized dessert. Now, obviously, because we could not go shopping for this week's supplies, we had to compromise. So while quarantining the house, I ran across some PEEPS from one of last year's projects and decided to make an entire menu out of it. I got all the Easter colors. I don't have the chicks. I got the bunnies, but who the f cares? You know what I mean? They expired. Best by 2019. That's not too bad. They're gonna be a little stale. This f***ing goddamn mask is getting in the way. If you don't know what this is a traditional plague doctor mask worn back in the original plague. I have had this as like a Halloween costume for years because I have just been obsessed with the plague forever. And here we go. I've had it in this box right here. Boom. Finally comes in handy. Ah, goddamn. I need a fucking drink. Let's make ourselves the first course, the quarantini, which I looked up. It is a thing. For this recipe, you're just grabbing yourself a martini glass, some vodka, which cannot be used as hand sanitizer. People. Oh, yeah. You want to throw about 3 to 4 ounces of vodka into a shaker. Top it off with about ½ an ounce to an ounce of vermouth. Oh, if I know my measurements. This could make a couple drinks. This could last a while. I don't know. And now I've been seeing all these other little quarantini videos out there with people putting emergency and all these other little supplements in their shit. Their little emergency packets, they ain't cutting it. They ain't doing shit. I'll tell you what they need. I'll tell you what they're missing. Here, you need a little Purell. You throw a couple little shots in there. 1 for good luck, 2 for the road. Get a little ice. Shake the f*** out of it. Ugh, that's f***ing tiring in this f***ing mask. Can't f***ing breathe. Woo! Oh yeah. Oh shit. Oh, we're not done yet. I got some olives. I got pepperoncinis. Wait for it. And a pepperoncini. Huh? A goddamn pepperoncini. A fucking pepperoncini. Oh my god. Oh. You just put it right there. Cheers. Oh shit. I just got it everywhere. What a first course! Cheers to everybody staying home. Cheers to the fucking essential workers, to the people fucking risking their lives, the doctors, the nurses. This is some shit. Wait. How the f do I drink this? Oh, fuck! I gotta expose myself to the outside. Oh! It's coming up. Oh yeah. Woo! Hello. How you doing? Oh my goodness. All right. Good to see you. Cheers. Oh yeah. Ow! Oh yeah, it's 5 o'clock somewhere. In quarantine time. Woo! All right. Let's get this going. Course number 2 coming up. Ooh, that tastes like shit. Anyways, here we go. Let's make some pizza. We got this tombstone pizza here. I got it because we're all gonna fucking die. We're all gonna fucking die. We're all gonna fucking die. You're gonna want to set your oven to 400 degrees and throw this bad boy in. All right, that is looking fucking delicious. We don't really have many of these pizzas. I didn't tell Corinne about this project. She's gonna be pretty pissed that we're using one of our only 3 pizzas, frozen pizzas in existence for PEEPZA, and this is actually my dinner. Once she knows that I'm doing this, she's not gonna let me eat tonight, because we're on a very limited food fucking supply budget over here. You know what I'm talking about? You know what I'm talking about. It's fucking been rice and beans over in this fucking joint for a while. Fresh produce, my fucking dick. That isn't fucking happening. We're running on rations and peeps over here, people. Rations and peeps. All right, here we go. Oh shit. It's looking good, it's looking good, it's looking good. Oh, look at that. That is a good looking fucking pizza. Shit. All right, now to throw some peeps on it. Look at that. That's a fucking masterpiece right there. That's fucking gorgeous. You know, the other ones that I saw, they were a little fucking skimpy on the peeps. They put like 5, 6 little fucking peeps on the thing. You gotta get the full experience. You can't fuck around. So I'm gonna put these in just for a couple more minutes. Marshmallows, they don't take long. Oh shit, that's a fucking thumbnail right there, motherfuckers. All right, in you go. I'm probably gonna throw this in just for like in 2 minutes. We'll see what happens. Oh, you can already see that. You can see that sugar. See that sugar burning. Oh, this is gonna be nice. Crystallizing sugar and doing what sugar does. Oh, look at it. Oh God, we're gonna eat that. Oh, you're not gonna eat it because you're on the internet. You're not here. You're not here. Oh my God, it's time. It's time. Okay, it's time to take it out. Time to take it out. Time to take it out. Okay. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Oh my God. Oh my God, I can't believe this is fucking happening right now. We got marshmallows everywhere. Ah! Oh, now there's marshmallow everywhere. All over the goddamn shit. Get this out before Corinne has a fucking fit. Ow! Ow! Ah! 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 God damn it! If I don't get it out, I'll never get it out. Oh! All right, we'll worry about that later. PEEPZA! All right. It's got that nice little crunchy, just what you want on marshmallows, and that gooey center. Oh, this is gonna be delicious. All right, here we go. Here's the marshmallow pull. Not really. Well, there it is. Doesn't look too bad of a slice. Oh, God damn. Oh, I'm losing my fucking mind here. That's fucking ridiculously good. That's good. I mean, that's some good quarantine eating. Taste-wise, it's salty, cheesy, sweety, marshmallowy goodness. This is some good pizza. No, I just want a goddamn restaurant to be open. Going in for a second slice. Worse than the first slice. Actually. Oh, you need to taste a little bit of this. You need to get in on this. Hold on a minute. A farting tootin' minute. Let me cut you a fresh slicer. That's the one you want. You got a little bit of everything in there. Yeah. Here you go. There, up, there, up. Whoa, 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 whoa. Calm down, calm down. Jeez. I know, it's pretty good, but don't joke. All right, moving on to dessert. Course number 3, we're almost finished here. How about that? We're moving right along. We are gonna be making ourselves a pandemic PEEP s'more skillet. What makes it pandemic, you may ask? Let me show you. We're gonna take these little PEEPs right here. We're gonna do something fun with them. What we're doing is just throwing a little bit of white icing on these. Put a little mask on them there. And you got yourself some pandemic PEEPs. Looking pretty good, pretty f***ed up idea. And you're gonna make enough of these to fill this little Corningware thing that we got to put in the oven. Throwing some of these chocolate chips down on the bottom, adding some heavy cream, and then throwing our pandemic PEEPs right on top, and then just throwing them into the oven at 450 for approximately 2 minutes. Good luck. All right, let's get back to this f***ing alcoholic appetizer, if you know what I mean, huh? You know, the PEEP starts to melt in there a little bit. Starts to get a little sweet with the vermouth. Turns into a little sweet vermouth. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Maybe you don't. You want to get a little bit? Here, take a little sip of this, huh? Huh? Hey, whoa, 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 whoa! I know, it's been hard. Relax. We're in this together. You know what I mean? Happy fucking Easter. God damn it. How long have you been locked up in your fucking shithole? Let me know down in the comments below. Oh, how long are we gonna be here? How long are we gonna do this? How long are we gonna do this? Ah, fuck, I didn't set a goddamn timer on this fucking thing. Ah, god damn it, God damn it, I burned my hand! Oh, god damn it! Ah! Okay, that's ready. Woo! Okay, alright. Oh, ladies and gentlemen, may I present to you a goddamn nightmare. Fuck. Holy shit. Ladies and gentlemen, may I present to you the pandemic PEEP S'morezilla. Let's fucking dig in. Oh my god. Oh my god. The chocolate is melty. It's like a little fucking soup. I wouldn't put that much milk in next time. But the s'mores are melted. They're a little burnt. But, they're good. S'more fucking pudding is more like it. Dinner. Gotta love the quarantine. Oh, what's that? We got some more fucking PEEPZA left. Let me get you some more of that. Don't mind if I do. Captain fucking Quarantine over here. Strikes again. Well, that's all we got for this week's episode. No. It's sticking to my glove. God damn it. Oh, forgot we got to wash it down with our little quarantine cocktail here. Fucking delicious. God damn, we are having a fucking goddamn blast here in 2020. Well, I hope you enjoyed another episode of Man vs. Den. I know I sure did. I hope we see you back here again next week. Sure hope we make it. I sure hope we make it.